Hello students, good morning. So we have already seen few points about the rise and spread of Christianity. So today we will learn the main teachings of Jesus and the crucifixion of Jesus and the religious texts of Christians. Okay, so the main teaching of Jesus. The teaching of, sorry, the life of teachings of Jesus are recorded in 4 books called the Gospel. So, the life and teachings of Jesus Christ are recorded in 4 books, that is called the Gospel, and they are the Gospel of Saint Matthew, the Gospel of Saint Mark, the Gospel of Saint Luke, and the Gospel of Saint John. So here we will find the life and teachings of Jesus. Okay, these 4 Gospels give an account of the ministry, crucifixion, and resurrection of Jesus Christ. Okay, so these 4 Gospels give an account of the ministry. Here, ministry means about his teachings and preachings. He walk around the places, okay, move around the places. About that, then crucifixion, okay, he was put to death on the cross, he was hanged to death on the cross, and the resurrection, and he rose again, okay, and he rose from the dead. So these Gospels give an account of the ministry, crucifixion, and the resurrection of Jesus Christ. Jesus preached his message in the form of sermons and parables. Okay, so Jesus preached his message in the form of sermons and parables. So, the meaning of the word sermon is, it is a religious speech or moral teaching. Okay, so sermon means religious teachings or a moral teaching, and the parable. What is the parable? That is a short story. Okay, short story with moral. Short story with moral. Especially these parables were used by Jesus in his teaching. We will find always these parables in the Bible. Okay, so the Jesus preached his message in the form of sermons and parables. Okay, his 12 apostles spread his message among the people. So he had 12 apostles. Okay, apostles, or we can say disciples. Okay, and they spread his message among the people. These 12 apostles or disciples, he had chosen them. The Sermon on the Mount is the discourse of Jesus Christ. So, the Sermon on the Mount is the discourse of Jesus Christ. What is discourse? Discourse means it is a long discussion or a serious discussion. So, in the Sermon on the Mount, usually we will find that Jesus would teach the people. Okay, so what were his teachings? His teachings are: love your enemies, have unconditional faith in God, he is our Father. What is unconditional? Unconditional means there is no bound. Okay, blindly you have faith in God, that is called unconditional faith in God. That means everything you have, okay, put on God, and you believe fully in the God, and he is our Father. Do not judge others. Okay, do not judge others means don't judge others. whatever they do. Okay. Give to the need. Okay, give to the need means those who in need, so you have to give them. Do unto others as you would want them to do unto you. So whatever you want from others, you also have to do the same to others. Okay, if you want love from others, you have also to love others. Next is, God is ever forgiving, ever loving and kind. So God is ever forgiving. He forgives always. Who? God forgives always, and He loves always His people, and He is very kind. So these are the teachings of Jesus. Okay, now we will see the crucifixion of Jesus. Okay, the crucifixion of Jesus. The growing popularity, okay, the growing popularity of Jesus did not like by rich and powerful people as well as the priests. So because of his preaching, okay, because of what Jesus preached, his popularity started to grow, and this was not liked by rich and powerful people as well as the priests. The priests refused to recognize as the Messiah. So people have recognized him as Messiah, but the priests, they refused to recognize the Messiah. Who are the priests? Priests are the people, those who pray, okay, in the churches. Okay, they lead the prayers. Okay, so these priests, they did not like Jesus, and that is why they refused to recognize Jesus as the Messiah. Messiah means one who saves the world. Okay. Thus, Jesus was arrested on the pretext of encouraging people to rebel against the Roman Empire. So, Jesus was arrested in the false reason. Okay, in the false reason, that is pretext, that Jesus is encouraging people to rebel against the Roman Empire. What was his false charge? Which was put that Jesus was encouraging people to rebel against the Roman Empire, and that is why Jesus was arrested. Jesus was put on trial and sentenced to death on the cross in Golgotha on Friday. Okay, so Jesus was put on trial. Okay, he was put on trial. In those days, he was taken up to the king's court, and when he was found guilty, he was sentenced to death on the cross in Golgotha. Okay, sentenced to death on the cross means the crucifixion. So he was crucified on the cross, where in the Golgotha. There is a small mountain called Golgotha, when on Friday. This day is commemorated by Christians as Good Friday. So the day on which Jesus was crucified, that day was Friday, and it is remembered by the Christians as Good Friday, and every year it is celebrated as Good Friday. The resurrection of Jesus occurred on the third day of his burial. Okay, and after the death on Friday, on the third day, Jesus is resurrected. That means he is risen from the dead. Okay, he is risen from the dead. Okay. The resurrection of Jesus Christ, that is the Christian religious belief. Okay. The resurrection of Jesus Christ is the Christian as the Christian religious belief. And after the third day, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, on Sunday Jesus is resurrected, and that is called Easter Sunday. Okay, and Christians celebrated that day as Easter Sunday.